So where are we going?
We shouldn't know.
We shouldn't know.
We shouldn't know. That's the fun of going, That's the fun of going. Let the road decide where we go. But life taught me certain things. Life taught me that don't take your plans so seriously. We have already a design for you. It's your job is just to recognize those nudges, which keeps coming, one after the other. If you don't recognize that nudge which a nature gives you, so those challenges, those are the challenges for you to overcome, so that you go into different orbit.
Irfan Khan, the true legend of Indian cinema, has taught us so many amazing things about life. He didn't just make us laugh, but he made a connection with all of us on so many levels. He had made a presence in everyone's heart by his amazing films and his personality. His life is a beautiful lesson to all of us. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Deepshika, and in this video we are going to talk about a true legend, a true hero and a true inspiration to all of us. Certainly the whole country has lost one of the gems that Indian cinema could ever have. And it feels unbelievable that he is not with us anymore. As he was a true inspiration, I have found some things about him that he has taught during his journey, and I thought I would share that with you. So the first thing that he taught was that age is just a number. He said age has nothing to do with wisdom. It's just what kind of life you are leading. It's just an exposure and the bent of your mind, then you definitely seek and grow. Sometimes you have an attitude or tendency to observe and grasp things. If you have that, age is just a number. So it doesn't matter if you are 20, 30, 40 or whatever. You are capable of amazing things. You just need to keep looking forward. So the next thing that he taught us to be spontaneous. Having absolutely no plans and going with the flow was his perfect idea of life. He told us in an interview that whenever he made a plan, it never worked out. So for him, it was more of a spontaneous reaction to things and going with the flow. He taught us to be spontaneous and take life as it is. Life constantly keeps nudging you to not fix things and let things be. Let it challenge you in its own way. And when life gives you challenges is when you learn things. So the next thing that Irfan has told us is to never stop experimenting. Your job in this life is to explore yourself, observe yourself, reflect your surroundings and your society in some way. Your looks don't matter, your language doesn't matter, your lifestyle doesn't matter. Your willingness to do something unique and different is what really matters. You can achieve anything if you believe in yourself. You will survive if you have that will to do something different and unique. If you love something, don't calculate where it will take you. Just keep doing it. There are so many things that we can learn from Irfan sir's film, and the way he carried the simplicity in his life and took pleasure in small and little things is what connects us even more. He might have gone today, but he will remain with us forever. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
I suppose in the end, the whole of life becomes an act of letting go. But what always hurts the most is not taking a moment to say goodbye.